In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate the class schedule. From the home page, hover over Current Students, go down to Current Students Home. This page here has a lot of quick links that are very useful for current students. What we'll be looking at today is classes. If you click on the icon, it takes you to the class schedule webpage. We'll be looking at Winter Quarter 2019 as an example. You would simply click on Winter Class Schedule Online. If you prefer, you can also look at the printable PDF version. And there's also a list here for alternative educational resources, which is a list of classes that use free or inexpensive textbooks. So we'll go ahead and click on Winter Class Schedule Online. This takes you to the class schedule. Every subject is listed alphabetically. So if you know the subject you're looking for, you can just scroll down and find it. Or you can simply click on the letter and it will take you down there as well. Couple things to know about the class schedule. There's a search feature up top. You can use this, however it can be limiting the courses that you see, so we don't always recommend using it. If it works for you, great. The other thing is students like to use and create these private lists of courses. This is fine for planning purposes. Just please remember this is not the registration screen. We have had students in the past create a private list of courses thinking they were enrolled. Registration for courses happens elsewhere, and that will be in a separate video. So the class schedule is great for planning purposes. Go down to the subject you're looking for. A couple things also is that they do some filtering for you already. If you are looking for hybrid courses, meaning courses that are only a few days a week or even just once a week, but then also use Canvas, so online. So it's kind of a half campus, half online course. So if you're wanting to just kind of test your feet in an online course but still have that campus option, hybrid courses are really great for that. So let's go back, and I also want to show you they've done a filter for online courses as well. So we do have a set of students who only take online courses, and if you go to O for online, they've done the filtering for you. Every course on here are online courses. That way you don't have to search through every subject just looking for the online courses. You can simply go to O for online. It is alphabetical on the left. You'll see accounting, AH 100, art 100, etc. And you scroll down and look for the course you're looking for. So when you get to this section and you see, oh, art 100 has multiple sections, how do I know which one to take? Each of these sections is separate. So they are all the same course, same instructor, but they are allowing for different groups of students to be able to take this course. Because it's an online course, these typically fill up quickly. So having multiple section options allows more students to take the course. When you're taking a look at this course, the details that you'll need to keep in mind are the item number. This 4-digit item number is the number that you'll use to register for this course for this particular section. DE stands for distance education, so that's in one way you'll know this is an online course. Again, it will say arranged in the days and the times. For any courses, whether it's online or campus, if you click on details, this will pop up a new window that shows whether the course is open or closed, how many seats are still available, how many credits, the instructor, all the details. Then down below will be a description of the course, including if this course has any prerequisites involved. A prereq means that this course needs to be completed before you're able to take the course you're looking at. This particular course, Art 100, does not have a prerequisite, so anyone can take this class no matter where you're at. A couple other things, if you click on books, this will take you to the bookstore website. Again, this My Schedule piece can be a little bit confusing because this creates those lists of courses, and again, it's not registration, it's just for planning purposes. Always be sure to click on the notes section and take a look at what they've written for the note. It's something that they want you to know before you take this class, so make sure to open up that note section and read what it has to say. And again, it will have the building days and times. When you're looking at a section of courses, say Art 100, that has multiple sections, rather than clicking on the details link for each section to see how many seats are available, there's a quick way to do that underneath this section by clicking on seats available for all Art 100 courses. It runs a list and it shows you all the classes, which ones are still open, how many seats are still available. This saves quite a bit of time by clicking on that link. So let's go back and take a look at math as an example. This is a really good example for students who need to take more than one class at a time. Pre-college math is pretty specific to this. Typically you'd just be taking one class. Say Art 100, it's just one section, but for pre-college math, most students will place into 2 math classes. So for example, Math 78, 79. It's the same course, but it's split in half. So essentially, students would you'd register for both at the same time, 78, 79, but the first half of the quarter would be 78, the second half of the quarter would be 79. In the end, it equals 5 credits, which is helpful for financial aid if you're trying to be full-time. So typically students would take both courses in the same quarter. Again, the number you need to register is that item number. You find the section that works for you in terms of the days and times, and the one that is still open. Daily does mean Monday through Friday. If you find the Math 78 section, for example, Section B works for you, make sure that Math 79 is also Section B. This is really important. You don't want to mix and match instructors and days and times, because when you get to that 79 piece, that new instructor could be at a totally different place than the other one. So you want to make sure that they match. Again, you'd find the day and time that works for you. In terms of math with an online course, this MAC right here means Math Achievement Center. This is a place on campus where you can get free help with your math. As an online class, you're not required to attend the Math Achievement Center, but it's there as a resource. However, a lot of the pre-college math courses, you'll see Section P, which also shows arranged and online. This particular section, and the reason it shows it twice, is because for this section, the Math Achievement Center, having hours that you attend the Math Achievement Center is actually required as part of the course. So again, you want to make sure to check out the notes, take a look at that. But just for the pre-college math, just so you're aware, Section P does mean that it is online, but you would have to come to campus and make use of the Math Achievement Center. If you have any other questions about this class schedule, please let us know, and I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.